Okay guys, I'm gonna change those lights, my headlights. This one has been damaged, so I'm gonna change the signal lights and the headlights. So the first thing that we need to do is make sure that you have your tools. I have all my tools here. So this one here I use 10 millimeter for this one here, and the small one here is like a T15, this one here. Okay, so I remove all of them. I have here on the side here too, I remove this. I think that one I use let me see, which one did I use? I use this one 916 to remove these bolts here on the side here. There's one here that needs to remove. So I finish with the top, and now so the next step will be here down below under the hook, under the hood. So here, so I'm gonna remove these two. I start already with these two here. So I have here also on this side. So, and when I finish with that, I have a bolt here somewhere here that I'm gonna remove. I'm gonna see the sides very soon. So you see my headlights is damn dirty, man. So this is the project today. Okay, alright. So since I'm doing everything by myself, I don't have a cameraman. I turn the wheels on the other side to allow me to remove this. So I see now I finished with this side. Now let's go to the next side. This is a Patriot, Jeep Patriot 2012. Okay, this is the second phase here. So I remove the one screws here. So what happened, you get it this way and you pull it up. So you pull it up, you come on this side too. So I remove, take this one off. There was a screw right here, so we're gonna pull this way too, this way. So we're gonna pull it, and this one will come out. Okay, so here we got the light bulb switch right here. We're gonna take it off. We're gonna change these. There's 3 screws here. I'm gonna take it off too. And now we have the access here to change the headlights, put a new headlights, and we'll be ready to go. So here too, we're gonna come right here. Let me show you right here. So there's a switch here. We're gonna pull it up and take it off 10 clockwise. Yeah, I see. I check it out. I'll let you know. So we're moving good with the project. Moving good. Okay guys, this is the second phase. So I was able to remove this is the broken one. No, this is the new one. So I'm gonna put this one. This is the damaged one right here. This is the damaged one. So we're gonna put it back. So I'm gonna clean all this, and now I can take this one off. Got one bolt here, one here, there's a third one here. So I can take this one and change it. So I wanna see, I wanna see if I can change those two, since it is already removed. So this is the way that it looks. Okay, alright. So now this is the new lights. Oh yes, I'm installing the new lights. Next step will be the signal lights. So we're gonna put the signal lights. That's the next step. Kind of able to put the lights. Got this side. So I'm gonna pull this side. I'm gonna screw this side. And after that, we'll work on this side here. So that will be the finish line. Got this side. Change this side too. was not able to change this. I'm gonna try to clean this and see this tool here. So alright, done.